Today, I'll show you how to use Claude to get a structured, beginner-friendly stock analysis in minutes. No spreadsheets, no finance degree required. Open Claude. Go to claude.ai in your browser and sign in. You'll land on a clean chat interface. That's where all the magic happens. Write your prompt. The quality of your analysis depends on how well you ask. Paste this prompt into the message box. Analyze Apple stock, AAPL, like a professional stock market analyst. Include a company overview, key fundamentals, revenue, profit, PE ratio, EPS, and debt levels, recent news and its market impact, a simple technical trend summary, major risks and opportunities, and a final verdict, bullish, neutral, or bearish. End with a markdown table of the most important metrics. Keep the language simple and beginner-friendly. This gives Claude a precise checklist to follow, so you get a consistent, organized output every time. Understand what you're reading. When the response comes in, here's a quick decoder for the terms you'll see. Revenue is total sales the company brought in. Profit is what's left after all expenses are paid. The PE ratio compares the stock price to its earnings as a rough valuation signal. EPS, earnings per share, shows how much profit each share represents. And debt refers to the obligations the company owes, which affect financial flexibility. The recent news section ties the numbers to what's happening right now. The technical trend gives you a short-term sense of price direction without needing to read charts yourself. Risks and opportunities keep the analysis honest and balanced. The final verdict is your at-a-glance takeaway, and the metrics table is easy to screenshot or compare across companies. Analyze any stock. Want to look at a different company? Just swap out the ticker. Replace AAPL with TSLA, NVDA, AMZN, whatever you're curious about, and run the exact same prompt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.